أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Malaria is a disease which affects the correct answer is malaria is affected by spleen. Following vitamins promote healthy function of eyes in human being. The correct answer vitamin A is healthy for eyes. Which of the following have maximum calorific value? Your maximum calories in a 1 gram of fat has more calorific value. Ornithology is the study of birds. Bird study is called ornithology. Where is the shrine of Khaja Farid Court? Khaja Farid, Mithankot. Shrine of Khaja Farid is located in Mithankot. Nanga Parbat is the highest peak of Himalaya. Nanga Parbat is the highest peak of Himalaya. Chairman of National Economic Council is basically Pakistan. National Economic Council of Pakistan head chairman is known PM of Pakistan. Continent is the Dor continent. Basically, Dor continent Africa. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate is the main ingredient or a main component of teeth, body, and bones. How many bones are there in an adult human being? Very important question. 06 bones in a human body, in an adult human body. The force between charged particles is called electromagnetic force. Force between the charged particle is called electromagnetic force. Red blood corpuscles are formed in very important question. Red blood cells are formed in bone marrow of a human being. Total volume of blood in normal adult human being is 5 to 6 liter. 5 to 6 liter is the average normal adult volume of blood in a human being. In humans, most nutrients molecules are absorbed by small intestine. Most nutrients are absorbed in a small intestine. Cobalt. Cobalt is famous for strongly attracted by magnet. Cobalt is strongly attracted by magnet. Who discovered the famous medicine penicillin? Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming discovered the penicillin. Which of the following is correct about HCl gas? Basically, it first properties, second is pungent smell, then it is extremely soluble in water. Three basic qualities of HCl gas. Then A and B. Instrument that measure the electric force. Very important question. Measure the electric force is ammeter, and the measure the power of electric current is watt. Power is equal to V multiplied by E. V is a voltage, I is a current. Was the first to measure Earth's circumference. The correct answer is Eratosthenes. Wrote the book World Order, very famous book. World Order book was written by Singer. The World Order book was written by Henry Singer. Peace Memorial Park is located in which country? Very important question. Peace Memorial Park is located in Japan. Thank you very much.